What are you doing? You don't lay eggs. Get out of there. Wrong person. There you go. There's the sweet girl. She's curious. She's curious. Nope. You don't lay eggs, buddy. That's not your compartment. Hi guys, welcome back to Not For Nothing Homestead. I'm Ginger. Thank you for stopping in this morning on this windy, chilly day in North Georgia. We are going to construct something today. I know, the mind reels. That I'm going to put something together, right? I put stuff together all the time. I can do it. We here at Not For Nothing Homestead, we obviously, if you follow our channel, we have livestock on the homestead, and we are constantly trying to improve their living conditions, the coops, the pens, the feeding, the water. So we're always trying to make it and better and improve it for the animals as well as for ourselves. It just makes it easier on everybody. You know, sometimes if you're stressed out about something, your animals pick up on that. They pick up on your vibe. They pick up on your tension. So if you have an issue at the fence line or at the gate or something like that, and you're stressed out about it constantly, they're going to pick up on that too. But if everything is smoothly running and going well, then you're happy, they're happy, they pick up on that as well, and you will reap the benefits and all the rewards from that. So we got something in the mail, and I am going to construct it. Wow, words are really, really hard. I put on my gooder hat, so I'm thinking gooder today than I was yesterday, and I'm gonna put this together. And I almost took a tumble there, so I'm sure it's gonna be easy. Standing might not be easy, but I'm sure that putting this together is gonna be easy. Okay, so here is what we are putting together today. It is a Proshine nesting box set. It's 3 of them. Look at the 3 little compartments, and then at the very end it has like this little lift box that you can get in there and check your eggs. So this company, Proshine, or there's their logo, Proshine, they contacted us and asked us if we would do a review on their chicken nesting box, of putting it together and seeing how it works. Oh my gosh, the rooster already today. And seeing how it works for the chickens. So we're gonna get all this put together, and I'll wait to get this put together. It's gonna make egg collecting easier. It's gonna make cleaning out the nesting boxes easier. Everything is gonna go a lot easier for the chickens and for me. So let's get everything out and start assembling. Okay, so I have everything laid out here. I have my instructions. It even comes with a water / feeder if you want to use this one. It comes with all kinds of good stuff. So we've got some little fake eggs to promote, you know, more egg laying. Got some gloves. Got a little pack of, got a tool and a little pack of all of our nuts and bolts and screws and Allen wrenches in there. The legs, if you choose to use the legs, you don't have to. You can set this directly on the ground. The legs, the dividers and the sidewalls, the nesting boxes, these are the egg basket tops, so these are going to be cute, and this is the whole top of the nesting box itself. So this is what protects them from the elements or makes them feel all snuggly and warm inside there. So let's get to putting this together. At this point, I can leave it like this, and I can attach it to the wall, or I can use the legs that came with it, and I can add those and have it up off the ground. I think I'm going to choose to have it up off the ground, and I think that's going to be better for us. Now, when you're sliding these trays in, you want to wait until you hear that click. When you push it all the way back, you hear that click, you know it's locked in. And you can just lift that up and get the eggs. So I'm going to put the legs on it because I want to use it with the legs. We got everything cleaned up around here, and I just went and grabbed the fake eggs. So we tilled up the ground a little bit, so they're super curious about what's down there, and they are really curious about the new nesting box, but they seem to love it. So I'm gonna go put a couple of the little fake eggs in the boxes, and then we're gonna see what happens. And I did put some nesting box mix in there, the herb mix that I make. I put some of that in there too. There we go. So we put just a little bit of straw in there. What are you doing? You don't lay eggs. Get out of there. Wrong person. There you go. There's the sweet girl. She's curious. She's curious. Nope. You don't lay eggs, buddy. That's not your compartment. What do you think, sweet lady? I know. And I'm gonna back up a little bit so we can watch them and see how comfortable they feel. I love the little compartments on the front where you can just lift it up and get the eggs out. I love that. What do you think, buddy? What do you think? Huh? Yeah, that's not a place for you to go either. Guys, we're coming around to check on how the Proshine new nesting boxes went. So let's take a look. Good morning. Again. I was out here very early. Good morning. Good morning, sweet girl. Okay. And here we are. Okay. So, clearly they have moved the straw around that I put in here. And they have moved the fake eggs. So let's see what we have. Door number 1. That's the fake egg. Let's push some of the straw back up there. There we go. Oh, I'll put that right there. Door number 2. That's the fake egg. I'll move that straw around. Leave that there. Okay, what's left is door number 3, and you can tell they've been walking up here on all this, so they're liking it. Look, oh my goodness. Okay, that's the fake egg. Oh, nope, that's a real egg. That's the real thing. That's the fake one. That must be the fake one in the back. And look how clean they are. Oh, they are so clean. I mean, just super, super clean. All of them. Ooh, that's a big one. Yeah, they are all super clean. That's awesome. Really? Did you have to do that in my ear? Oh my gosh. Okay, let me get these eggs. I'll put the fake one back in the bottom. And we'll take these inside. Nice. Clean. Beautiful eggs. It's chicken approved. So that's great in my book. It's me approved because the eggs are coming out cleaner. I love that. So guys, I want to thank Proshine for sending us this chicken nesting box to review. Really love it. It was very easy for me to put together. It would be easy for you to put together as well. I mean, if you need help, just give me a call. I was able to do it, so I can help you too. I'm kidding. Okay, guys, check the link in the description box. There'll also be a code there too in the description box. If you want to check them out, if you're in the market for a new chicken nesting box, I think you're really going to like this one. I love all of the features, and the girls love it. They do love it. Okay, guys, take care of you and yours. God bless, and we'll see you in our next video. Maybe she's going in there to give me another egg. That'll be great. No, you don't give eggs. No, sir, you don't.